How we protect our environment? Reduce, reuse, and recycle, minimize waste and resource consumption. Conserve energy, use energy-efficient appliances and renewable energy sources. Conserve water, fix leaks and use water-saving appliances. Minimize chemical usage, opt for eco-friendly alternatives. Support sustainable transportation, use public transportation or fuel-efficient vehicles. Plant trees and support green spaces, participate in tree planting initiatives. Consume responsibly, support sustainable and ethical companies. Educate yourself and others, stay informed and share knowledge. Advocate for change, get involved in environmental organizations and campaigns. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow Life Design.